Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show how to enable call recording on Realme 15T. Before starting this video, please press the bell icon or do subscribe this channel. Let's start our video without wasting any time.